Auto sleep mode can be annoying as it interrupts gameplay, cutscenes, or video playback on your Nintendo Switch. This video shows you how to turn it off completely, so your system stays awake until you're ready to power it down. Let's begin. Get your Nintendo Switch. On the home screen, go all the way to System Settings. Scroll down from here and find Sleep Mode. Then on the right side, you'll see two options: Auto Sleep, playing on console screen, and Auto Sleep connected to TV. Select each one and change the setting to Never. Once you are done setting both of these options to Never, you're all good to go. Your Nintendo Switch will now stay on until you manually put it to sleep or turn it off. Just remember to manually turn off or sleep the console when you're done to save battery. And that's how you can turn off auto sleep on your Nintendo Switch. Super easy and fast. If this video helps you out, then give this video a like and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more quick Nintendo tutorials. Thanks for watching, I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.